Welcome to our comprehensive guide on navigating your first Canadian tax season. Designed especially for newcomers, this video will ease you through the process of filing taxes in Canada for the first time, particularly if you have a mix of income sources. Let's get started. In today's guide, we'll cover some key points: whether to hire a tax agent or not, the importance of receipts, essential tips for newcomers, and some additional insights to help you along the way. Let's dive into our first topic. Our first topic is whether to hire a tax agent. This decision can depend on how complex your tax situation is and how comfortable you are with Canadian tax law. Let's first discuss the benefits of hiring a tax agent. If you have a complex tax situation such as self-employment, multiple income sources, or investments, an agent can be valuable. They are experts in Canadian tax law and can help you find deductions and credits you might miss otherwise, making the process more efficient. On the other hand, if your tax situation is relatively straightforward, DIY filing is definitely an option. There are many free or cost-effective tax software solutions available that guide you through the process step by step. Quiz time. When might it be advantageous to hire a tax agent? Is it A, simple employment income, B, self-employment and complex tax situations, C, only one source of income, or D, foreign tax credits? You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B. Hiring a tax agent is particularly advantageous for those with complex tax situations, like self-employment or multiple income sources, because they can help navigate the complexities of Canadian tax laws and identify eligible deductions. Receipts play an essential role in the tax filing process. First, make sure you keep all receipts related to work expenses, such as travel costs, medical expenses, or childcare. These could qualify for various deductions. However, not every purchase receipt is important, so focus on job-related expenses and those that apply to specific credits. Staying organized is key, so use folders or digital tools to keep everything accessible for when you file your taxes. Here's a flowchart with key tips specifically for newcomers navigating Canadian taxes. First is obtaining your Social Insurance Number, or SIN, which is crucial for tax filing and employment in Canada. Next, your residency status is vital as it affects the way you file your taxes. Generally, if you've lived in Canada for any part of the year, you'll file as a resident. Then, use user-friendly tax software that can guide you through the process, especially since tax filing can be complicated. Be mindful of the tax deadlines. For self-employed individuals, for example, the filing deadline is extended. Finally, keep all your documents in a well-organized place. Let's explore some additional insights that could be invaluable during tax season. Government benefits, including those like Ontario Works, are taxable, and you'll need a T4A slip to report them. Also, if you've paid for education or professional development, such as licensing exams, you may be eligible for tax deductions, so it's useful to research these opportunities. Finally, for long-term financial planning, a financial advisor can provide personalized advice tailored to your unique circumstances. In summary, we've covered several important points for navigating your first Canadian tax season. Decide whether to hire a tax agent or not based on complexity. Keep essential receipts organized for deductions. Use tax software to simplify your filing process. Be mindful of filing deadlines, particularly if you're self-employed. And remember, knowing about the taxation of government benefits and potential educational deductions can save you money. Thank you for watching our guide on navigating your first Canadian tax season. We hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.